Newly painted fenders can insulate turn signals and brake lights, preventing proper function. Newly painted or powder-coated hood hinges can prevent the grounding of hood-mounted lighting. Painting the radiator core supports can insulate that structure. Items that ground through the core support will fail to function, such as headlights, park lights, front turn signals, and electric cooling fans. Newly painted firewalls can prevent the function of components that rely on metal-to-metal contact with the firewall for grounding, including wiper motors and various relays including starter, ignition, horn, and air condition relays. Newly painted fuel tank straps can insulate fuel gauge sending unit signals and fuel pumps, preventing proper operation. Newly painted dash panels can prevent dash lights and gauges from grounding and functioning properly. Often, all that is required to remedy this unintended insulation of electrical components is sanding the mating surfaces for the newly painted or powder-coated items. Additional, supplementary, ground straps and ground wires can also be installed to bypass the painted surfaces. Our wiring kits are designed to provide power feeds for all of the typical aftermarket equipment found on modern resto-mod car builds. However, our instructions are not meant to substitute for the installation instructions for those aftermarket items. It is imperative that the installer familiarize themselves with the instructions for all components being installed in the car. Our wiring kits typically provide the wiring for vehicles originally equipped with factory heater systems, not factory air conditioning. Additional wiring will be required to wire factory AC systems. Some of these harnesses may be available from American Autowire or other parts suppliers. In some cases, the factory AC wiring will have to be reused. Additional or original harnesses may be required when installing other factory or aftermarket options in conjunction with our wiring kits, such as power convertible top harnesses, power door lock harnesses, power window harnesses, standalone fuel injection systems, electric fan relays, electric fuel pump relays, and cruise control systems. Tech support. We understand that wiring an entire vehicle can be a daunting task, so we offer industry award-winning tech support from Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. When calling tech support, please have the part number for the American Autowire product you are installing available. We make over 6,500 wiring products, and we often offer several different wiring solutions for the same vehicle, so having the part number ready will reduce the chance of any miscommunications. Generally, when you call American Autowire technical support, you will receive a tech representative right away. However, there may be times, particularly during peak hours, when a tech agent may need to call you back. During those times, the first available support representative will call you back as soon as possible. There is no need to call back repeatedly. Typically, our peak call times are during lunch hours, Monday through Friday, on Monday mornings, on Friday afternoons, and 10 minutes before closing Monday through Friday. Oftentimes, if you call with a tech concern, we will ask you to perform some circuit testing, so it is best to have a working test light or multimeter handy when you call in. Also, we do not recommend relying on power provided by battery chargers, small lithium-ion batteries, or power probes for some circuits when testing your wiring. Please have your vehicle's battery fully charged when you call. Thank you very much for using American Autowire wiring in your project. We hope these best practices installation tips help on your vehicle wiring upgrade.